What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. I have done quite a few modification already, as you guys can tell. Without any further ado, let's go for a ride and talk about the mods that I have done so far. What is up, guys? Welcome back. And quite a lot of videos dropping lately. I've been doing a lot of modifications and stuff. Anyway, so today's topic is we are going to talk about all the modification that I have done so far, including some key modification that you definitely want to do once you take delivery of your vehicle. So let's go over some of this mod that I have done, and you should as well. So if you watch my last vlog about the specs and options I got with this bike and how much I spent, and you might be thinking I'm done, but ask yourself, if you get the same options and when you take delivery of your vehicle, do you think you are done spending money? No, right? You are not done spending money. You are going to spend a lot more in order to make the bike the way you want, the way the bike that you want it to look. So these are the money or budget you should have aside. And right after I took delivery of my vehicle, I'm gonna go right here, quick downshifting like a pro. There you go. Some twisted roads. I like that back road. Nice. Yeah, so you think I was done spending money? No, right? So the modification I started doing right away is some crash protection, and I decided to go with the Evotech frame sliders and all the crash protection. That was actually one of my options that I wanted. For some reason I liked the look of their slider. I know it takes a little bit of work to install the frame slider, the left and right one. Okay, nice of you. I'm still behind the track though. Anyways, yeah, so the Evotech frame slider, and if you guys want to see how to install, I do have a video which already proudly published on YouTube, and you guys can watch that how-to video installing the Evotech frame slider, because I looked around, couldn't find any, so I had to follow the instruction. So I made a video on that, how to install video. I will have the link on the top card if you guys want to check it out. Installation video, go ahead and feel free to do so. So I got the BMW Oem Sports Screen, which I will tell you how I got those, and the BMW bar and mirrors, which missing some parts still, but I have improvised and installed them anyway. But the parts are on the way. They will come to make that OEM look. And the quad lock phone mounts, I briefly told you guys about the quad lock phone mount that I installed. This is like one of the best. So this is the quad wireless charging pad, and I did this stem mount, and you guys can see right here underneath. So as you guys can see, and I have they gave a 5-foot cable, I believe, or 6 foot, with the weather protection USB-C. This connects underneath, and then options I have for this bike is a USB plug, which is underneath the seat. So I just snake the cable right underneath the seat and right behind this fairing piece, and went up this way, and right here. So it's tucked underneath very nice. I removed this plastic piece and zip tied it in there, and this is the ultimate setup for the phone mount. So now I have a phone mount which will charge your phone wirelessly. Just plug it in, and so this is one of the best setup I have. I'm not, advertising quad lock or anything, but the fit and finish, the way that it fits on this bike, as you guys can see on the video or the picture, it fits so nicely. The stem mount, especially the stem mount for this bike with the wireless charger stem mount, what do you call Pro, that's the one I ordered, and the fit in finish, and it's just amazing. And you can see, like my phone, you can put it on the vertical or the landscape orientation mode. Either way it works, and it's charging currently. Alright, stay within the limit anyway. So the bar end mirrors, the frame sliders, then I got the quad lock phone mount and the sports screen. I'm gonna talk about the reviews on these guys, but the windscreen, let me just give you a brief impression. It works like that. I would never think that it would. I am very impressed. Without the screen, when I had the bike, I'd have got a lot of wind buffeting on me. I was doing 75-80 on the highway, and that's totally fine. Not as bad. I mean, still you're gonna have a lot of wind. It's not as super sports that you can just tuck yourself inside the windshield. You can tuck in a little bit. It's not gonna be an air bubble that you can just go inside. It's just it works a little, but not bad. The reason I got it is I got them for free. So just to keep in mind, this costs $175 from BMWs, and the bar end is like 300 and some change. So these are some expensive that does not have to be that expensive. I have them because I got them for free. BMW was nice enough for me to give them for free, so I have them. And these are the mods so far I have done on the bike, and there's going to be many more, I'm sure. You guys know, you're probably going to be asking like, oh, when are you going to get a full exhaust system? The bike is too quiet. I'm sure I can hear you guys, and I'm talking to myself about that. I'm asking the same question, like, when am I going to get a full exhaust system? I would definitely want to get a header, so delete the catalytic converter and the bread box and stuff, and just use my Akrapovic that came with the bike because it looks good and I like it. And I am done here, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video.